Yeah. Okay. Just a minute. Yeah. Sorry guys, I have some network problem, so I disconnected and yeah. Now we will start our day now. So a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, Dipali.
Yeah, good morning, Sanjo. Okay. We'll start our neck rotation. Before that, we have to take some breathe in and out. So start it. Close your eyes and your spine should be erect. Feel the air traveling through your body. Just relax yourself and calm down. Okay, now rub your palm and roll it to your face. Okay. Now we will start our neck rotation. Up and down. Slowly and gently stretch your neck. Sideward. Full round in both directions. Reverse in direction. Okay, rub your palms and roll it to your face. Now shake your hands. Do it with full of energy. Rotate your wrist in reverse in direction. Sideward. Reverse it. Upward. Okay. Okay. Now, 1 minute. Sorry. Yeah. Do like that. Press your chest. Straight sideward. The other side. Okay. Rotate your shoulders. Reverse in direction. Okay. So just do like that. Rub your palms and roll it in your face. Okay. Now we will move for yesterday what we did, new one. Sit in this position. Yeah. Crisscross your hands 30 times. It helps to tone your arms. Sideward 30 times. Both forward and reverse direction. Reverse in direction. Upward. Reverse. Okay, we will do one more set of it. We will repeat one more set. So again, crisscross your hands. If we do it in regular basis, we will get the result quickly. At least 3 sets we have to do at a one time. Okay, sideward 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Upward. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, reverse it. Okay, let it be. Relax it. If you do it regularly, it will strengthen your core. Otherwise, in starting this, you will feel some pain, but you have to practice it. So it will helpful for toning your arms. Okay, now we will move forward for Anulom Vilom. So close your eyes. Make sure that your spine should be erect. So 3, 2, 1 and let's go. Okay, let it be, relax it. Take a long deep breath, inhale and exhale. Feel the air traveling through your body. Okay, now we will gearing for second set. So 3, 2, 1 and start it. Okay, let it be, relax it. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Okay guys, now we will go for third one. So 3, 2, 1 and start it. Okay, relax it, let it be. Take a long deep breath, inhale and exhale. Fill the air and relax your mind and body. Okay, 2 minutes. Close your eyes and your spine should be erect. Fill the air, feel the greatness of morning. Relax it. As it is a new day, new beginning, leave all the worries. Whatever happened yesterday, it is a past, and today you are living a new life. So it's an amazing day for you. It is a new version for you. Guys, don't take life as a granted. If you are getting new day, so it is really an great thing to do, to move forward, to do something new. Inhale and exhale. Okay, rub your palms and roll it on your face. Okay. Now we will go to do Kapal Bharti. 30 seconds, 2 round, and next we'll do third set of 45 seconds. And make sure that you have to squeeze your stomach fully. Do it with proper manner so that you will get more effects. So close your eyes. Take a long deep breath. Okay, so 3, 2, 1 and start it. Okay, let it be, relax it.
When a friend of mine was struck, I suddenly
Okay. Now we will go for second round. 3, 2, 1 and start it. Let it be, relax it. Okay. Now we will getting it for third set. So 3, 2, 1 and let's start. Okay, let it be, relax it. Okay, rub your palms again. Roll it on your face. Okay, massage your ears. Neck. Okay. Now we will getting for what? क्या बोलते हैं? Sorry. Bastrika. Yeah. So take your position. 3, 2, 1 and start. Okay, let it be, relax it. Okay guys, while doing it, make sure that you are making your doing it with full of energy. So take your position. We will getting for the second set. 3, 2, 1 and start. Okay, let it be relaxed. Now we will move forward for third side. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Okay, let it be. Relax it. Take a long deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now we will move for 1 minute breathing exercise. First, we have to do slow, medium, slow, medium, and fast one. So, close your eyes. Your spine should be erect, and yeah, take your position. 3, 2, 1, and start. Breathe in for your nose and breathe out from nose only. So, 3, 2, 1, start it. Medium face. Fast one. Let it be, relax it. Take a normal deep breath, inhale and exhale. Okay, rub your palms. Roll it on your face. Massage your eyes. Slowly, gently massage your eyes. Okay. Now let it be. Oh, okay, guys. Now we will move toward diaphragmatic breathing. So, you know how to do it. One hand on your chest and other on your stomach. So, and while taking breath, make sure that you have to squeeze your stomach. So, close your eyes and make sure that your spine should be erect. 3, 2, 1, and start it. relax it. Let it be. Now moving for second set. 3, 2, 1 and start. Okay, relax it. Take some normal breath. Rub your palms. Roll it on face. Okay. Now we will move for third one. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Okay, relax it. Rub your palms again. And roll it on your face. Okay. Now we will move forward for butterfly pranayam. So you know how to take position for that. Take a position like that. Yeah. 1 minute. Yeah. 30 seconds of 3 sets we will do. So 3, 2, 1 and let's start it. Your spine should be erect and your upper body, fix it, not to move your upper body, just do it. Okay, relax it. Stretch your legs and stretch it. Try to touch your head to your knees. Okay. Moving for second set, take your position and 3, 2, 1. Take your position, 3, 2, 1 and start. Guys, it is really a very good thing to do every morning, so don't miss these habits. It is pretty good thing to wake up early in the morning and going for meditation or pranayam or workout. Okay, relax it Again, stretch your legs and now we will move for third set and we will do it for 1 minute or 1 minute we can do it. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Just a minute, guys. Okay. 3, 2, 1 and start it. While doing on daily basis, it increase your strength and core and all. So you have to do it regularly. Now, okay, let it be. Now we will move forward for Cobra Asana. So you know how to do it, I think. So take your position. Just a minute. Okay. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Hold it for 30 seconds. Okay, let it be relaxing. Okay, now moving forward for second set. So 3, 2, 1 and start. Let it be relaxing. Now moving for the third set. So 3, 2, 1 and go for it. Hold it for a few seconds. Okay, let it be relaxing. Now sit in Vajrasana and this baby asana, you have to fully go like that. Stretch it. Hold it for a few seconds. Okay, let it be. One more time. Let it be. Okay, guys. Now we will do nail rubbing. We have few more times. So yeah. Just a minute. Where it is. 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Okay, go for nail rubbing. Guys, while doing nail rubbing, your brain stimulates some messages to your dead cells and your skull, and so that some kind of something is happening, and it will help for your nails, hairs, hair growth, and whatever. So many people are facing dandruff kind of problem. So daily, if you do this at least for 5 minutes, 2 to 3 times in a day, you will realize the thing and you will get the result just doing this nail rubbing. So it is so much beneficial to do, but everyone knows, but no one do it because of just ignoring. So it is a simple exercise for hair and nails. So why not we should do it? So do it at least 2 3 times in a day. Nowadays everyone are facing hair related problems, hair falls, dandruff and all. So this is the solution for that. Okay, rabbit. Guys, really, it is a great thing to wake up early in the morning before the sunrise. So we are already doing it. So it is a nice thing to do. And one more thing I want to tell you, like, no matter you are daily, it is not necessary to do 30 minutes or 45 minutes workout, but at least you have to do it for 10 seconds. Pick up some cardio exercises or whatever you want, and just easy and simple exercise in starting days you have to take, and go for it at least 10 minutes regularly. Repeat that for 3 sets or multiple sets, but do it as soon as possible. Go for it, because we are just busy in our work daily, and we are forgetting all our body, how it is feeling and where it is damaging, and also we have to take care of ourselves also, so that only we will be fit and fine.
Yes, when we do it now regularly, then it will be like habituate.
Yeah. If no one, I'm saying about the people who ate not started doing workout or pranayams. So for them, at least 10 minutes you have to do, make time for yourself and go for it. Okay, do like that. sun rises fully. Nowadays, sun rises early. So, interlock your fingers. Rub it. And roll it on your face. Yeah. One thing, guys, whatever you are doing, waking early in the morning, doing all these routines, if you have to appreciate yourself for this work which you are doing, like waking early in the morning, no one will appreciate you. So on daily basis, you have to appreciate yourself so that you will be continue it every day. So self-satisfaction will be there. So make your self-satisfaction is your appreciation and motivation. So you don't need other people to appreciate for your work. You only have to appreciate for your work, whatever you are doing. So you will be in continuing that habit. So that's it for today. Have a great day. And yeah,
Bye, Dipali.
yeah. Bye bye,
Thank
guys.
you.
Thank you and bye, Dipali.
Bye bye. Thank you.
Okay.